I just clicked it. Now what? Is it recording? It's
Then get this, right? I'm driving
it's
along,
recording.
man. I'm driving.
Yes. Oh,
I'm driving
okay.
safely. I'm obeying the rules
Drive.
of the road. Whatever sign comes at me, I look at it and I go, okay. You got it, sign.
How do you zoom?
Right, so I'm driving safely. All of a sudden, a guy in another lane, completely oblivious to me, he starts coming into my lane, just coming in. And if I didn't see him coming in, accident, but because I saw him, I see, hey! Right, I assess the situation. I assess the situation.
I can't, like, zoom.
As he's coming, I ease, and I say what anybody here says automatically when this is happening. You can't help it. It just comes out. Ready? Hello? Hi? Hello? Unless you're black. If you're black, it's a little different. If you're black, it's, check out this motherfucker.